So for those of you that saw the previous video, the Subi one, Brian Subi, you guys know what's going on right now, why we're jumping it, huh?
Yeah, but this is another video. Today we'll be comparing our exhaust
to HRs. So you guys know that we're not capping. HR. And then let me show you, should I show him the fender?
Huh?
The fender?
Oh yeah.
This is what happened when Brian's tire blew out, fucked up his fender. But we're gonna jump it right now so we can go do that video.
Hopefully it starts.
Yeah. Cold start, few days or a week.
That's just dead right now.
Oh, it is?
For information, this is a cold start from like a week or something, I think. So if it turns on.
It is right now. Almost, a little bit more. Alright guys, so we pulled up over here to our local school, well, to Brian's local school. There's some people over there, hopefully they don't trip, huh?
Now we're gonna do this real quick.
Yeah, we're gonna be fast. Hopefully, they shouldn't trip.
Anyways, break it down a little bit. So this is my 07 HR. It has ISR test pipes with HKS catback exhaust. Want to show me real quick?
Yeah. So catless test pipes with the HKS. I think it's the high power one, right?
Yeah.
Some shit like that. As you guys can see, it has the fat ass mufflers. Oh fuck, my finger. It has the big ass mufflers, but it doesn't have the cats, so it's pretty loud. All right, go first. 3K.
I'm doing some 3K RPMs and yeah, I think it pops.
That's just loud for having those fat ass mufflers.
So yeah, and then right now we're going to Jason's, and this is for a little video for reference of people that are looking to get exhausts for their Z's and stuff.
Yeah. So I think Brian's is a little bit raspier because of the test pipes than mine, but I like how it sounds, and it's hella loud. But this shit, stock cats, it has the cats, but it has a ISR blast pipes with the resonator, I think. Yeah, it has a resonator right there, and the stock cats, but no mufflers. Recording?
Yeah. Anyways, I didn't turn on my car just because I don't want to jump start it again, but yeah, that's. Let's see. Huh? Yeah. So there's a quick little revs between my car and his car for those people looking to get an exhaust for their 350Z HR. They sound cool. I mean, people say they sound like trumpets, but I think they sound pretty cool.
Nigga, this shit's falling apart.
You guys saw that? Shit was hella falling, but anyways, yeah, I'll be keeping this car, I like how it sounds. I like how it looks and all. And I've been having it for a while now, so yeah, that's the reason I'm keeping it.
I do a little fucking
Now I'm gonna do 5K like this.
Nigga, how's that shit falling apart, bro? Fucking bucket as he. You saw that? Nigga. This shit's hella loud. We're gonna get in trouble. Alright, now mine and then we'll be out.
Alright. Jason's gonna do his shit real quick because we're not trying to get kicked out. Because I believe there's people training at the pool, or I don't know, doing some lessons. I don't know if they're part of the school, but it's fucking raining. I don't know why they're out here, but you know, anyways, we're in a. Yeah, go. Someone's coming though. So right now we're gonna do a little bonus clip. If cool feature, Jason has 2 steps, so we're gonna let you guys hear how that sounds. Yeah. One more. 2 step. Now it's Jason's turn to do a little flyby. Alright, now he's gonna do the same as me. He's gonna do a little U-turn and come back this way. My car's pretty loud after driving the Subaru for a few days and then driving this one again, my 350Z. Shit's loud because obviously the Subaru's stock and it's super quiet. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here and then I'll start recording once I hear him coming back. All right, there he goes. There he comes. I mean. So that's all for today's video. We'll just compare our exhaust, obviously, throughout the whole video. Let us know which one you like better.
Yeah.
Like I mentioned earlier, HKS with test pipe, and then his is ISR blast pipes. Right?
Yeah.
Just that.
Yeah. Both.
No intakes, none of that.
Both HRs.
Yeah, both HRs. I forgot to mention that. But anyways, yeah. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. More content coming.
Yes, sir. Drop a like for the buckets. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna make these look clean soon. Both of them.
Better keep it, pop.
We're gonna make both of them sick soon. So for the VQ or Z guys, stay tuned. And yeah, that's gonna be it.